Today's video is about creating a slate coaster from an AI image using my xTool S1 laser. I went to the Microsoft Copilot website to search for an image. I wanted something simple, like a bird soaring in the mountains. My search words were picture of a bird in flight in clouds and mountains. I think this one will do nicely. I clicked on Customize to download this image. There are a lot of options on this page, but I just want the image as a PNG file. I downloaded the file to my computer. I opened the image with Adobe Photoshop Elements. Before putting it on a slate coaster, I wanted to make some improvements. The eagle should stand out over the sky, mountains, and clouds. So I clicked on Select, then Subject. Photoshop automatically selects what it finds to be the main subject of the image and highlights it. Then I right-clicked on the image and selected Layer via Copy. This isolates the eagle in a new layer above the original image. Now it's just a matter of activating the eagle layer, selecting Enhance, Adjust Lighting, and Levels. I pulled the right adjustment to the left and increased the brightness of the eagle. Then I combined both layers into one image and saved the file as a PNG. My laser is the xTool S1 40-watt laser cutter and laser engraver. It came with the xTool RA2 Pro rotary accessory for engraving curved surfaces like insulated tumblers. I also have the xTool Air Assist to remove smoke and help laser energy stability. In addition, I purchased the xTool Smoke Purifier and Fume Extractor. I ordered a box of 72 slate drink coasters from Amazon. The coasters came bubble wrapped and were delivered the next day. Each are 4 inches square and have 4 non-slip rubber pads on the bottom. Time to make the coaster. I turned on the xTool Smoke Purifier, which pulls the smoke and small particles from the S1 laser. I also set the control knob to full power. I plugged the USB cable from the S1 into my laptop. I turned on the S1 and allowed it to go through its setup. This is a 3mm basswood template that I made to allow me to make 4 coasters at a time. For this project, I've marked the template's position, matching the ruler on the lower plate at 6 and 15 inches. It's a real time saver for setup for additional engraving sessions. I added these magnetic pins to hold the basswood in position. For this video, I'm only engraving 1 coaster. Time to open the xTool Creative Space software and create a new project. The first order of business is to select the type of material I'm engraving. Here I've selected Rock Coaster. Now I need to determine the distance from the laser head to the surface of the coaster by placing the red crosshairs in the center. In the upper right corner of the software, I clicked on Auto Measure. This tells me the exact distance from the laser head to the top of the coaster. To help place the eagle image on the coaster, I clicked on Mark Processing Area in the upper left menu. There are 4 options to choose from. The majority of the time I use the polygon option to mark several points to accurately define my work surface. For this project, I'm marking 2 locations for coasters, but will only use the upper left one for image placement. This is to demonstrate multiple coaster creation. As I mark the points, they appear on my laptop. To finish, I click on End Marking and Done. Now to load the eagle image. I went to the upper left menu and clicked on the Image tab to retrieve the eagle image. Most of the time I receive a warning that the image is too large. I usually agree to scale it down to fit the canvas. Here I resize the image to fit inside the lines between the points. As I mentioned before, I'm only going to create a coaster from the left image. But for this demo, I want to show how to set up for 2 coasters. I did a Ctrl-C on the left image, followed by a Ctrl-V to duplicate it. Then I moved the second image into the area for a second coaster. The left image is already set for output to the laser. I turned off the output on the right image so the laser would ignore it for processing. Now for the settings on the left image. For power, I input 15. For speed, 180. I left pass at 1. I changed the bitmap mode to Jarvis. Then I changed the lines per centimeter to 100. I clicked on the Adjustments tab and set the sharpness to 21, the saturation to 25, and grayscale to 34, and then checked Invert. To start the laser job, I clicked on Go to Process. The software shows me a projected image of the final product and the path of the laser head. I click on the Start button and the job gets uploaded to the S1. Now it's time to start the job. This part is optional, but to me, adding a layer of satin polyurethane adds some depth to the image. Thanks for watching this video. There are some helpful links in the comments area of products shown in this video.